It looks really
I'm telling
new.
you right now.
I don't know, those manifolds look like
And there's
factory
no
manifolds.
DOD on this.
Oh man.
DOD deleted it?
It's 4.8
It's gotta be.
I'm sorry. There is no better bang for your buck than a C5Z with this setup.
I mean, you're gonna be. I mean, every heads cam C6Z, you know?
By a lot.
And he's at 3,100 pounds. I mean,
This just made more than Roger Raymond's heads cam C6Z. Hey Brian. 672. What? And 6054. Manual. So gross.
That is the only bad part, is it doesn't matter.
Not really that bad.
It's pretty bad. Pretty bad.
Well, you put 4L60 in it.
That's pretty ridiculous. 605 torque.
The new version of the cam that we did in Neil.
Yeah.
Same intake and exhaust. We doing something different with the actual lobes and the valve vents.
Yeah. Seems to be working to me.
Save this cam.
I've got 2 others already ordered.
23 today.
Take a snapshot of that today.
Oh, this is, I've done this cam. This is phasing out the one that used to be in Neil.
Got it.
Man, it isn't even meth.
No.
No!
Imagine if you put
Dream
meth-
combo, because I hate meth.
Just put a gallon or 2 race gas at the track and
Yeah.
there you go.
Or make it flex fuel.
Yeah.
I would make it flex fuel. That'd be sick. Don't be a bitch.
I don't want to do I don't want to do anything with pump. I'm getting away from that simplicity.
What is more simple than just putting whatever fuel you want in it?
Precisely.
Whenever you want.
Not
Flex
having
fuel.
to upgrade the fuel system for E. That's what's
Yeah, this is an out-of-the-box fuel kit.
But you have to upgrade it anyway.
So you put a bigger pump in it and run some bigger
It's
injectors.
a lot easier than a fuel system.
It's literally 2 wires and injectors.
Oh, wait a
That'd
second.
get much more simpler than that.
How hard is it to put a Walbro 450 in it?
Listen, Nick, you do it and
I'll
tell
tell you
us.
what.
It's not hard.
Those pumps are
Drop
a
the
pain in
tank.
the ass.
So,
Do the pump.
So,
There's no way that you get motivated to do it.
I'll tell you what,
And
you
the
can take your
450
C6 pump out.
that's a lot less
Might
work.
be
than-
enough to support that on
A
E.
lot less work to do a 4L60 swap.
Yeah, it's still iffy.
Yeah, that's still a lot on E. For a 450.
Let's pull it down.
I don't think in 450. I don't know.
Put a boost pump on the 450.
That's a recipe for popping.
Yeah, 450's already full of a ton of amperage. Let's turn it up.
Let's melt the boost pump.
Then put a bigger
fuse in there.
Hey, a booster pump can handle 40 amps.
A1000 external. Problem solved.
40 amps.
For half a day.
They melt. The fuse doesn't pop,
So you
but
just
everything
run a
melts
whole
around
other-
it.
you'll run
Or
more.
just go 9s on this without meth or E.
Yeah, if you put tires in this, it'd go nice.
And I'm not opposed to throwing some race gas in the tank. A couple
$20
gallons.
return.
Who cares?
Money bags over
Alright,
here.
let's do
Who cares?
Let's do it.
I mean, it's definitely a lot cheaper than transport. But then I gotta come out of pocket on all the mods.
What is
so.
he? What? CC put on the transport?
Yeah, I would.
How are things?
Wiring up the fuel system right now. Oh, neat.
This is
Need one
the
for 3 pumps.
this is the prime button.
For the pumps?
Yes, so why you have a prime button is so you don't try to start the car with the high pressure pump dry. So if it were to if you were to hop into like a Circle K or whatever and come back, not a problem. But like first start in the morning, you need to hit this for like a second or two.
Like hold it or just hit it?
You hold it.
Okay.
And it just primes the pumps and then you can...
Smart idea.
Yep.
That's cool. I'm excited to see this car with good things in it compared to before.
Getting a 10 rib. It's an F1A94. I thought it was an F1A. It's not.
So it should be even faster for what it is.
Yeah, I mean, he's maybe, because he's air to air, on E it'll probably make 950, 960. It'll need air to water, really make some good power.
My dude, thank you.
14 themes? Sport 15s. Dub deuces. Dub deuces.
Nick already tuned today?
Nick, yeah, he had a douchebag game later today. He had Huck and Chuck it baseball. Yeah, Tom Brady and the defense.
The defense. The best defense is a good player.
No, it rips up the floor. I've done it already.
Yeah.
So it's gonna have like some enclosure kind of things. Hell yeah. He's molded in.
Yeah, he's getting ready to cut them and then we'll attach them and get them done up in black.
That's so cool. Yeah.
Are they in it?
Nice. Yeah. Gonna take some bodywork, I think. Oh my god, this color is beautiful.
Oh my god.
By the shop today just to come see it when I posted the picture.
Oh.
It makes opulent blue look like dog shit.
It does.
If I had option blue cts-v, I'd paint it this color.
This is beautiful.
Wow, that's cool. Dude, pictures don't do it justice. Wow.
See all the carbon?
Dude, it's so nice.
It just has so much. It's almost like RSP to me a little bit.
It does. It has like a purple
When you really. Oh.
Oh yeah, I love it.
Is this an 18 only color?
I think so.
Oh. God. That is so cool.
I haven't been this excited about a color in a long time.
Man. When you took a picture of it, I'm like, it's opulent blue. Now I'm looking at it, I'm like, wow, this is not opulent blue. What a gorgeous color.
Dude, I'm not kidding. I posted that picture and I had people come down. They're like, I've yet to see this color in person. I have to see it. I'm like, yeah, sure.
What's getting into this?
Our cold air, ARHs, our expansion tank, catch cans.
All I would do. That's so cool.
Yeah, so full bolt on.
so cool. That's gonna be a sick car, man. Wow.
Oh, stainless works back to back.
Oh, cool. Now I get to hear it finally.
Hell yeah.
So this is kitted out then. All right, this is top of the line.
Every option except for Recaros.
Not
And the only reason he didn't get the Recaros is I didn't know this. Is the Recaros in these are not cooled seats. Only the non-Recaros
Really?
are. So he's like, I'm not getting that in Arizona.
No fooling. These seats look like the old Recaros almost.
They're nice. They're really comfortable.
Yeah. You got a lot of bolstering and everything. They look better than the V2 non-Recaro seats, which were just seats, you know? But, man. I like this. I like this a whole lot. How many miles are on it?
1100. He tried to bring it to me with 30. And I was like, I can't do that.
Yeah.
Has to have at least 500. He's like, okay.
All right, bring her back. Keep her going. Stop.
Powers.
70 horsepower. Lots horsepower.
See how much Nick is inflating these numbers.
70. That's 70 right there.
Yeah. What's that correction factor? Is it 6 or something? 6.0?
6.
Yeah, dirty little 6. Looking good. And it makes power like
That's 60
instantly.
horsepower.
It's pretty good.
Oh, I know. The LT4 is ridiculous with how much torque it has down low.
So when you come out of DOD, does it like do weird shit? Or like, because the old cars kind of did that, right?
The old ones had more of a delay. These are like instant. The DOD actually works pretty well on these motors.
It's crazy like how quick it shuts on and off. Like you can tell it's really optimized.
And it makes a pretty decent gas mileage difference on the newer motors too, not like the older ones.
Well, yeah, and I mean in the
like
ZL1,
all the Gen 4 motors that had DOD, you know, we would turn those off, and you might lose a half a mile per gallon.
Yeah, like the
on
Tahoes.
these, you'll lose like 2 or 3 miles per gallon if you turn it off.
What do you get in the ZL1, like mileage wise?
When I drove down to Tucson for streetcar takeover, I was doing 85 miles an hour the whole way down, parked, and then drove 85 miles an hour the whole way home, and averaged like 26 miles per gallon.
Wow. A supercharged V8.
In a 650 horse car that got 26 miles per gallon.
And it's funny because it's the same displacement as that. Like, you know, it's the same size and everything, but you just can tell.
Technology's fantastic.
No
26
lie.
miles per gallon on the freeway and 85, almost 90 miles an hour in some areas.
It's just insane, man.
On top.
Look at the grounds even. Like, it's just clean. Look at the manifolds.
Look at that. There's
Manifolds are rusty. Take it back.
I was very impressed. Like, even under the intake manifold's clean.
Yeah. That's because they shoved a hose in there.
Hey, I don't care. But, like, there's no corrosion on any of the ground stuff.
No, it all looks like it's in really good condition.
Very heavy.
It almost looks like a new motor.
Yeah. Hey.
It's 5.3.
They swapped the 4.8 into it.
This makes like 100 less horsepower than it usually would. It's kind of weird.
823 is the right casting.
It's got the right heads.
823? That's not a cathedral port or a rectangular port.
LY6?
No. I thought they were all 4 digits.
Shit, Joe.
I thought rectangular ports were all 4 digits, aren't they?
Oh, 0821. I think you got gypped, buddy. You got the Amazon heads.
Yeah, that's weird. Rectangular ports, those are all 4 digits, right? On the casting?
No.
Yeah.
Oh, the head you're talking about?
Yeah, the
Yeah.
heads,
Oh
yeah.
yeah, I thought you were talking about.
Yeah, no, they're all 4.
No,
they're all 4 digits.
Yeah.
No, this is your custom. It's square.
No, I'm pretty
All
sure.
the cts-v's, even the trucks.
Every single one of them are
Yeah.
4 digits.
Yeah.
Sure you didn't get a
Square ports are 4 digits.
Yep. Only cathedrals are 3 digit.
Just put it on the rack and see if it's got a 5.3 badge on it.
I bet they swapped the 4.8 into this thing. Dude, I'm pretty sure they're all 4
We got a
digits.
06 that came in that had LS3 in it.
Yeah, it wouldn't be uncommon, and it does look like a new motor.
It looks
I'm
really
telling
new.
you right
I
now.
don't know, those manifolds look like
And there's
5.3
no
manifolds.
DOD on this.
Oh man,
DOD
that's a
deleted
4.8.
it?
It's 4.8
It's gotta be a 4.8.
Because 5.3s came DOD, 4.8s didn't.
Yeah,
Oh, not the. I thought you were
it doesn't even have the valley cover.
Because it's not a DOD! They're non-DOD.
Yeah, 4.8.
They are, but the 6.2s are all DOD, VVT.
They're not.
Mine's DOD and VVT. Why wouldn't this one be it?
That's place didn't get it.
I got I got my motor out of an Escalade.
And you should put the hands on the head and say, I got a 4.8 Escalade. And we'll make that the profile picture.
God, they even like dolled it up with the red front wires.
Yeah, they did.
That's nice.
They got me good.
We got $150 extra here. Let's get some LS9 spark plug wires.
They'd be blue.
Oh, whatever. Tomato, tomato. Potato, potato. Not the special ones. I don't know which ones you guys get.
What are you looking up, Nick?
Joe's engine.
No, I'm just seeing more problems.
821 is definitely a 4.8 liter. That's definitely a problem.
These are 823s.
23s. That's what I meant.
That's what you meant.
There was a comma and a 3. You didn't let me finish my sentence, Joe, but thanks for interrupting me.
That's exhaust closed. It's just a nice little. Can't hear anything.
It's quieter than my truck.
Oh yeah, dude, you don't even know.
It's so crazy.
Don't even know it's got a cam.
It's got a cam in it?
Yeah, that's cam.
It's heads cam?
Yeah.
Wow. Look at that.
And then you open them. It's marginally loud.
Yeah.
These things really need that stainless works axle back.
Dude, it sounds so good in the blue car. Wow. Man, that's awesome. That seems totally manageable though.
Yeah, made 700 wheels, 713 torque.
Wow.
What a weird day where 700 wheel is just like
Yeah, so quiet.
stock tires too.
Wow. God, that's so crazy. I mean, a 700 wheel second gen V in comparison.
Feels pretty violent.
Yeah, like this is totally just cool, you know?
But that also kind of makes it not as fun sometimes.
Yeah, I mean, I guess it depends on what you're going for.
The drama sometimes is
Yeah.
part of, almost the best part.
Yeah. Oh man. What a cool car. And like
Justin heard us.
You hear us?
Did you hear us?
Yeah, of course I did. Is that a track mode?
Yeah.
Okay. Because I noticed the cluster was different on the other car too.
Yeah. If you put it in touring,
What's oil temp at?
cold,
Okay.
214.
What does snow and ice mode do? Turns the Santa Claus background. Oh. One can dream.